Now the main purpose of this ride, oh hello everybody by the way, Ricky Tang here. The main purpose of this ride is to test out some new camera positions on the bike. At the end of August, all being well, I'll be going on my first track day at Donington. And you're not allowed, as far as I'm aware, you're not allowed to wear cameras on your person or on your crash helmet. So I've got a couple of cameras currently on my handlebars. I've got my trusty old GoPro Hero 3 here, and my Hero 6 facing forward. Now I've said before, I cannot mount cameras to my handlebars, the vibrations are too strong. I still stand by that. So what am I doing with cameras on the handlebars? Well, basically, I'm just hoping for the best. I'm hoping that the Hero 3 will somehow be magically immune to the vibration, which is highly unlikely. And that the 360 camera, which will soon be on the end of that and a little later on, won't vibrate either, just because of the way the selfie stick is built. So I've done nothing to kind of stop the vibrations coming through, apart from hope a lot. So the Hero 6, I've got it so the top of the rev counter should just be in view. So if I happen to rev to about 9,000 RPM onwards, the needle should appear. This is also an opportunity to properly scrub in my tyres. My new Bridgestone S22s. I haven't done many miles yet. Only done 21 miles, I think. 27 miles since getting them fitted. But we've got a bonus reason for being out today. That reason is we can now travel into Wales. Us Englanders can finally cross the border. And my plan is to go onto one of my favourite little twisty roads. That goes from kind of Ross-on-Wye area towards Abergavenny. Now from Abergavenny I could make it into the Brecons potentially. But I didn't set off until gone 2 o'clock this afternoon, so not really looking for a particularly long day out. You wouldn't believe the amount of gadget I'm bloody carrying on this bike today. I got the Hero 3, Hero 6, 360 camera. In my backpack I got my Zoom H1N voice recorder, which is doing the helmet mic, and in the back of the backpack I've got my Lumia 1020. And that's attempting to get clean audio out of the back of the bike. So as part of this testing process, getting cameras down by the on the handlebars, I've actually replaced the optional sport screen. And I've put the original screen back on because the sport screen is obviously taller, deflects more wind, but gives me fewer options for mounting cameras. Kind of blocks the view of the cameras depending on where I put them. Also a little later on, the 360 selfie stick won't be pointing in the air, it'll be pointing straight in front, more or less, kind of over the headlight for a back view. So a lot of bikers out today, I love it. Well, looky here, this little bit of road here, doesn't last long, but it's quite twisty and enjoyable. And 8 times out of 10, I'm always stuck behind a car. and you can't really overtake when you get into the meat of it. Not this time, baby. Ah, got a fly on my screen, on my visor already. Just that little twisty bit there. It's been a while since I've been on it, so made a bit of a meal out of it, but I do that on most roads anyway. Forgot that extra bit. That's how long it's been since I've been on this road. The clouds, it's lovely scattered clouds today. Unfortunately, I think the GoPro 6 is just facing down a bit too much to kind of catch much of the sky, because I want to catch the rev counter. And I'm kind of in the way of the Hero 3, so it can't look back. So what's going to happen, if I remember, is I'm going to find a turn off in a couple of miles for Abergavenny, and there's a little stretch of twisty road. Some of it's twisty and it's a little bit fun, which then takes you to a junction which you have to cross for the next bit of twisty road. I'm going to stop somewhere, take the 360 camera off my crash helmet, put it on there for a while, and review the old footage later on, see what it's like, see if it vibrates. It's been ages since I've been down here as well. Bit dirty and dusty on the road around here as well. Bit of a bummer. Out of the seat. Now I can't do this for very long because I'm just using it on battery power alone. So I'm hoping it's fully charged at this point. Got a picture taken in that lay-by with my old 1250 Bandit. That's when I thought, you know, this was rather far away from home. I do like this road. Do it. So yeah, what are the chances you'll be able to use that setup on a track day? I think very unlikely. And then I've got another mounting option for the 360 camera, because I've actually got a 1/4 inch 20 TPI thread mount that's taken the place of the bottom bolt of my fly screen. So I can attach the 360 camera directly to the bottom of the fly screen. Obviously it doesn't stick out very far, so we'll be able to get the whole bike in like I think I've got now, the whole front of the bike, but it'll be solid. It should be quite a solid mount, and that's something I probably could use on the track day. Right, do I get the chance to dispatch these vehicles? The answer appears to be no. Not until I can see ahead on a view for a start. Well, I've got a bit of battery left. Straight to the front of the fairing. So hopefully the 360 camera there on the nose cone. That'll do a good job. Just hope it doesn't overwhelm the mount and fly off. We're out of wherever and we're heading to whatever. I bought a skipping rope. I had one at home somewhere. Can't find it. Can't bother to look very far because they're quite small. It could be anywhere. But I bought a skipping rope because when that track day comes up, or by the time that track day comes up, I'm going to need some fitness. I am not fit at all. I imagine one 20-minute session, I think, on the track would leave me absolutely blowing chunks. So I need to get some fitness back into me. I've got about 6 weeks or 5 weeks to do it, maybe 6 weeks. So I think that combination of you know, so many reps of sit-ups or press-ups, shadow boxing or burpees, there was some skipping in between the reps, that will do something to me. Hurt, I think. Right, so now the analysis begins. Get all the footage off these cameras on my onto my computer. Start seeing what's what.